Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. We have been doing chronology from 3 days, so today I thought let us practice some questions and learn about some other writers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Question number 1. Who in his book Sign of the Times said, "It is the age of machinery in every outward and inward sense of that word"? I am repeating the question. Who in his book Sign of the Times said, "It is the age of machinery in every outward and inward sense of that word"? It is none other than Carlyle. Carlyle, in his book Sign of the Times, which is coming in the year 1829, said these words. Let us learn a little bit about Carlyle also. We need to know his origin. He was a Scottish writer. And he was born in the year 1795. Now move on to the next question. Of grammatology, writing and difference, speech and phenomena were all published in. I am repeating the question. Of grammatology, writing and difference, speech and phenomena were all published in. They were all published in the year 1967. You need to know who wrote these works. These works are written by the French philosopher Jacques Derrida. Okay, these are the works of Derrida. He was a French philosopher. And they are all written in the same year, 1967. Moving on to the next question. The Germ was the literary magazine of. It was a literary magazine created by the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood or the PRB. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood or the PRB. They were a group of English painters, poets and art critics founded in 1848 by William Holman Hunt, John Everett Millais, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, William Michael Rossetti, James Collinson, Frederick George Stephens and Thomas Woolner. They formed a 7-member brotherhood. Okay, they were 7 people. I am listing them once again. William Holman Hunt, John Everett Millais, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, William Michael Rossetti, James Collinson, Frederick George Stephens and Thomas Woolner. Moving on to the next question. The Figure a Poem Makes is an essay by the Pulitzer-winning writer. The Figure a Poem Makes is an essay by the Pulitzer-winning writer Robert Frost. Robert Frost won Pulitzer Prize 4 times. I am listing out for which poems he won. He won for the New Hampshire in 1924, and other works include Collected Poems 1931, A Further Range 1937 and A Witness Tree 1943. He won the Pulitzer Prize 4 times, and for the works New Hampshire 1924, Collected Poems 1931, A Further Range 1937 and A Witness Tree 1943. Moving on to the last question of the day. G.B. Shaw was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1925. G.B. Shaw awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1925. So that's it for today, and I'll be coming up with more questions in the next video and some more information. I've recently made a Telegram group and we are doing a lot of questions over there. So I insist you join the group and we can practice some more questions over there, and I'll share the link in the description. Thank you for watching.